Hello, I'm Matthew Curran, and welcome to Can I Cook It? Right now, I'm getting a country-themed recipe that's also nutritious as well from ketocasm.com with an article written by Tasha Metcalf. It's called Shredded Chicken Chili, and hopefully the background music is going to be good for the theme because country is the best thing I could think of with something that's chili related. Anyway, the ingredients that we're going to making are 4 chicken breasts shredded, which are already in the pot. We actually have more because we want to expand a little. 1 teaspoon of butter, half an onion chopped, already chopped a little bit. 2 cups of chicken broth, which is already in the pot. Um, 10 ounces of diced tomatoes, and then 2 ounces of tomato paste, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin, as well as half a teaspoon of garlic powder. But we've been using onions directly to, like this one, to get it ready since we don't actually have garlic powder. And then 1 jalapeno pepper, which is going to be chopped as well, but it's also optional apparently. 4 ounces of cream cheese, as well as some salt and pepper to taste. So, can I cook this? Let's find out. So, off screen, I actually had the chicken in the broth, all cooked up for like about 10 to 12 minutes, as I mentioned before. So we're gonna shred that later, but first let's start, cutting the jalapenos and onions in preparation of putting all of this together. So fortunately, someone was kind enough to me to, show me well, kinda, show me how to, chop an onion. And, okay, all right. So I made a little bit of a mess, but I think we got all it chopped up. Okay, so the next thing we do is, apparently the order matters, to turn the stove on to medium to low to medium heat, like maybe right about here-ish. And the thing is, we're gonna put the butter in. Oh man, it's sticky. So I'm just gonna put them in here, move it a little bit around. And then the next thing we're gonna do is shred the chicken. I haven't done that yet. I just put the stuff in the broth, and, So, next thing, since it's all cooked up, I can start shredding it like crazy. So let's go to the next phase. So we're gonna put all this stuff in the pot. Hopefully I got the order right. And we want to stir it a bit first. And then we're going to do 1/3 of this tomato hunt paste. Finally, we're going to put in the tomatoes, the diced tomatoes. Stir it some more. As we get this all stirred up, we're going to put the broth and the chicken in. So now, we're going to put the cover over the lid over this pot. Wait for like a little 10 minutes or so to cook. Next thing we'll do is get the cream cheese all ready for it. Next thing we're going to do is put it in the pot. I'm going to stir it more. So while this is cooking, I have my friend Jenna that's the one who recommended me the recipe, explain keto. Hey Jenna, how you doing?
Good, thank you.
So what is keto and why is it nutritious?
Keto is short for the ketogenic diet, and it's when your body produces ketones and burns fat instead of carbohydrates.
Oh really? I'm very clueless about stuff like this.
And to stay in ketosis, there's maximum of 20 carbs per day.
All right, thank you. Much appreciated. Before this thing gets all really ready, you just need to add a little salt and pepper for some added taste. cooking this thing up, and then it'll be ready for serving. So I think it's about done. I'm going to taste it, and Jenna's going to taste it just to see if I did anything right or wrong. It doesn't matter because this is a noob cooking show after all. So I'm going to taste it. Just one bite, just to see how it is. Mmm. 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 Not bad. Probably won't eat too much of it because I'm not a fan of cooked vegetables. But regardless, hey Jenna, tell me how it's supposed to taste like.
Okay, I know it's supposed to taste more of like a tortilla soup. So.
Oh, okay.
Got a chili.
Moment of truth.
It's good.
Oh really?
Yeah, you did a good job.
Is there anything I could have improved on?
No, I don't see anything.
All right. Nice. Thank you.
You're
High
welcome.
five. All right. So, thank you for watching Can I Cook It? So the soup is a success, I think, or chili is a success, I think. And I just want you to like, subscribe. I'll be putting some social media accounts for Can I Cook It soon, so that you can check it out on the Instagram, Facebook, you know, whatever is available for social media. So I hope you enjoy this show, and you're gonna see some people eating it, just to know that hey, this is good, I think. Have a nice one. And I did cook it.